morning. Hope you're well. I'm going to go live today with weights. These are quite heavy. They're 6 kg. And yoga blocks. I've just taught a power step interval mix. And I also wanted to showcase my new mix on Pure Energy that will be out at the end of the month. So you can let me know what you think about this. I love a superset. So you've got 2 exercises, 2 intervals squashed together. And then you've got a rest at the end. So you can do upper body, lower body, front of body, back of body. You could use 2 pieces of equipment, so blocks and then weights. There's endless configurations that you can do with this. And I wanted a nice pace, about 120, 122, that it's good for strength training. So let me show you. And you can see what you think, and you can give me some feedback as well. If you like a superset, I don't think there's that many supersets in the Pure Energy Music app. I'm sure there's not. Okay, we'll do lower body with the blocks, and then we'll do upper body using the weights. So, great for bad knees as well. So let's put the toes on the floor. Let's do a heel raise with the squat. Just being aware that you're not extending the knees, you're not locking them out. You're using your glutes to power you up. Good morning. Now we're going to stay down for 3. So 3. And you could even do like a body pump style matrix, couldn't you? Singles. 1 more. Now down for 3. Up for 1. 1 down and up for 3. Good morning. Singles now. So you get a good squat, you can change the position of your hands, you can bring your hands up, you can add a squat with rotation. Okay, now step off and then go to your upper body. So we do a shoulder complex, so I'll do 4 upright rows. Morning, what are you teaching? Single raise. Oh, these are heavy for that. We'll do everything in 4s. And then lateral raise. Single, extra here today, 1 more, and then a bicep shoulder, and again, let's go, upright row, for 2, good morning, what are you teaching? Let me know. Front raise, anybody lift leaning today? 3, that was heavy, those 6 kgs are heavy. Okay, now use the blocks. Let me do a sequence. So get everybody in your class to go to Aldi or Tesco or mid-aisle places, and you can do rotation, bring it in and down, and you use your blocks to add variety, dimension, function. And again, let's go up, open, left rotation. Right rotation, bring it in and down, then a single, here's your doubles. Good, now I'm going to step back on my left leg, heel on the floor, just lean forward and sort of move into a deadlift. So you've got your 4-foot balanced on the block, and you would do the other side of course. Okay. Now let's do an arm. Let's do a bicep complex on this side. But you could do anything. I'm giving you ideas. I want you to have a listen to the music. Let me know what you think. So rotation. And then 4 hammer curls. 3. Now hit the shoulder, 1 arm, and then around the edge. Good morning. And around. Jill, good morning. How have you? Where did you get your blocks from, Jill? Bow together. These are heavy. 2, 1 more. There you go, recover. So you could do all of your standing exercises that we've just done. With your block also, you could use your block to engage, contract the inner thighs, hold the pelvis still, and then do some upper body mobility. Like kind of what we just did. Open, rotation. Bring it in, release it down, and then onto your tiptoes. So working through your calves, Again, you lift and open. Rotation, that feels so good. And then up and down onto your tiptoes. I think we use blocks nearly every class now. Now hold your arms at the top. Right lateral flexion, left lateral, but keep the connection with the block. Then bring your arms in and a right rotation all the way to the back. Left rotation. There. Recover. You could also use your blocks for doing elevated lunges. I won't pick my weights up, but back leg on the block and do low. I think I went to Lidl, I think yesterday, the day before, and Lidl had got some blocks. You just get everybody to bring one. Now this is an awesome lunge. You could do lunge, center and rotation. Obviously you change to the other side. This is just for ideas. Again. Good. And again. I'll jot all these exercises down and then jot them down. I'll add them to the choreography newsletter. So just type choreo in and then you'll get a little link. Got them from Temu, of course. If you order off Temu. I've never ordered off Temu, I need to. So this is my new hit album. It's not out yet. And it's Hit 54. This is called the Ultimate Superset. It's coming in at 128 BPM. So let me know what you think. What are you doing today? What are you teaching? I've got a heart, so I've got my infrared heaters here. I'll have a check. There they are. Put my infrared heaters on, and I've got a hot class here at 11:30. We've got the Heart Infrared Teacher Training course, 2 weeks. And then we've got Reformer this week, which is full. I've got Reformer Fitness Pilates. And then I've added lots more Reformer, Fitness Pilates Reformer classes and courses on right up until the end of March. So come to Derbyshire, come and see us. Or if you want to come and do hot or red light, then give me a shout and I'll send you all the details for that too. Okay, I'm off to do the supporters briefing. I'll see you in a minute. Have a lovely day.